Mga boss, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo sa Palateo Covered Court at manonood tayo ng exhibition game ng Pasig City Employees Basketball League. At ang maglalaban ang Executive Department versus mga team selections player. Mga boss, pakisubscribe naman po ng YouTube channel kong Boss Alam Vlogs. Yung mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Engineer Arta. Binasa kay number 6 guys. Wow! Pass to shot! What? Natawagan natin si Mayor para mag-post ng ball.
Ito po ngayong araw na to. So after the exhibition game, ang first game po natin is Sangguniang Sangguniang A versus Treasury Department. Third game, Market versus ano to? D. CHD. And para sa ating fourth game, POD versus HRDO. So yun po ang magiging game po natin. Thank you. Okay. Ceremonial toss. Our beloved Mayor Vicas Soto. Yes. Happy yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Ready na tayo.
CPMO Toro versus OGS. Second game. Sangguniang. Okay, Sangguniang A versus Treasury Department. Third game, Market versus CXD. And para sa ating happiness.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, ready na tayo. Maraming salamat. Mayor Vico Soto, Councilor Eric Gonzalez, Councilor Ryan Enriquez, Councilor Coach Paul Sinogan, at sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa ating barangay council. Thank you so much, Kapitan Bobot Ibarra and council, sa iyong suporta at pagpapahiram dito sa inyong venue. Maraming salamat.
Start of the ball game, exhibition game.
Between the executive
versus representative Totimo. Okay, executive ball, Chester Guevara. Pass to Coach Paul Sinogat. Coach Paul Sinogat dribbling the ball. Pass to Councilor Ryan. Pass to Coach Paul. Shot! What a shoot! Nice shot! Coach Paul Sinogat. Councilor Ryan. Councilor Ryan. Wow! What a shot by Councilor Ryan. Nice D.
Save mo.
Oh,
Sige.
still by Consi Paul. Ababa. Attorney, ababa. Attorney Jason, ababa. Shot, yes, what a shot, what a body shot by Attorney Jason Ababa.
Uwi na kami, nakapuntos ka na eh, ha? Uwi na kami.
Attorney Jason.
Akala mo pumasok, ha?
Balik agad ha, akala mo shoot ha. Engineer Arta! What a shot by Engineer Arta!
Nilabang ko pa to. Hindi pa laro eh. Ano may laro? Lalaban mo ulit. May laro yung buo.
Consi Ryan dribbling the ball. Pass to Consi, Coach Paul. Shot. There's a foul.
Ay, di wala.
Pahon.
Consi, Coach Paul. Their shot. No good. No good. Good one.
Last na morde.
Consi Paul Senagan. No good again. Rebound by Engineer Arta. No good. Oy, what a steal. Sayang. Napaka-active ni Consi Ryan.
Tapos. Nakikita ito.
Chester Bangis, pass to Consi Paul. Oh, shot no good. Rebound by Grabe! Ang laki niya po ni Jason Ababa!
Ang layo ah.
Ano kami mo?
Ang lakas.
Ayan naman! Ayan na naman! Ayan na naman! Oy!
Lakas.
Offensive, Red! Offensive! Ay, good! Blocking foul! Blocking! Blocking!
Di ba offensive yun, Rep?
Blocking! Blocking foul! Parang naniko ah! Oy! Chester is pass to Jason. Attorney Jason. Attorney Jason pass sa kalaban. Pagod na si Attorney. Napagod na si Attorney Jason. Pagod na. Pagod na kasi siguro.
Yari na.
Consi Ryan! Wow! What a shot by Consi Ryan Enriquez! Lalim mo na. Ayos.
Nice shot by Engineer.
Hey! Consi Ryan dribbling the ball. Pass to Attorney Jason. Attorney Jason, shoot mo na! Shoot mo na! Shoot mo na, Tony! Yan!
Talsik. Good. This breaker.
Engineer Arta. Wow! What a shot by Engineer Arta.
Chase 5.
Bigat na. Pati kakampi niya. Hinawi niya.
Save 5.
Kita-kita mo sa replay. Yung Pantang sexy kasi.
Talsik si
Siya si Gonzi sa Rogat eh. Ilalaro mo pa nalambot na nga na presto eh. Di ano talaga niya Toro Jason yan. Banggaan. Bumangga.
Oh,
Laro niya sa niya. Oy, kay Christian no!
okay.
Yan, medyo ma.
Ang laki niya no. Wow.
Nice tol.
Basic.
Basic shot. Good.
Dati kami mo ngayon eh. Talsik Brad eh. Chester Pablo Guevara. No good.
Christian. Malamig. Kaya kay boss.
Ang laki mo, brother. Ang laki niya. Damn. No good. Benson. No good. Bonson. Kuya Ken. Patay. Tapos.
Double.
Easy basket, the number 14. That's really good. Down to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. First quarter.
Abuse.
Number 14, fakes, fires, and no. Back for the rebound, lead crossing the half court. Now we are more leading. Sinalaksak, binasa kay number 6 na Espiritu. Panggilang, shoot out you. What a nice shot on number 60. That's fine. Oh, Espiritu. 21-20.
Talaga si Kuya. Oh, senior ko yan. Senior yan, pero active ko talaga eh.
It's a piece of cake para sa selection team. With a score of 21-10, it's an 11-point advantage or deficit by the executive. With 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Nice shot on number 29, that's Kagawa Guevara. Seven-second shot clock.
Okay. Biwas eh.
Last 2 minutes for the first quarter. For 3. Dancerino 3.
Gawin ng boss.
So shot by Caranya on the downtown. Yan naman, linya. Tahan-tahan mo rin. Looking for the score. Pinasa kay number 13 to Espiritu. Espiritu number 17 to Linya. On their right wing, big match by Guevara. Linya. Sa kanya naman, but there's always a foul.
Foul. Paris. Chester. Pablo. Ibarra.
Pablo Guevara. First personal foul on Pablo Guevara and 13th foul para sa ating executive. number 5. Oh! And it's blocking foul on number 30. Ayan po, sinasabi nila, ang bumangka. Sa two-shoes, hindi ko lang number 5. Mendoza on the 15-foot line. First try was good. And it's an opportunity para sa executive to increase their lead until, yes, they put it into a 12-point lead with 1 minute and 22 seconds left for our first quarter. And you're still watching the exhibition game. Galing! Nice shot by Espiritu on the left wing of the court. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Ibarra, tangan-tangan pa rin ang bola. Pull-up jump, wala, bala for the rebound. Nice step by number 60, Espiritu. The number 6, Felipe. Nice pass. Pangsulingan. For 2, no, it's a short shot. Ano mo? Nice. Good steal by Felipe, but unfortunately he'll lose the ball. So down to 40. Deflected by number 29 of executive, that's Guevara. 34 seconds.
Salamat po.
Pangsulingan, he was by number 14. Felipe, and it's Felipe. Number down to 28 seconds. Deflected or intercepted by Aligid. He was by number 14. Aligid, tangan-tangan pa rin ang bola. He was by 2. Executive, nice drop. Nice out there. So there's a foul. First try. No. Number 14 on the 15-foot line. And no, it's nothing at all. So automatic violation para sa ating executive. 15 seconds. Down to 10. Aligid aiming for 3 in the downtown. Bang! Down. Number 13. Look at 3. A 7-point lead or advantage by the executive against
End of first quarter.
Selection.
Score 18-25 in favor of executive team.
Sir, sali mo daw siya sa vlog.
In favor of
Engineering pa. Yes, pero.
Second quarter of our ball game, and you're still watching the battle. It's an exhibition game between the executive versus selection. Got intercepted by nice goal. It's only shot by number 29. And there's a miscommunication between Talanya and Conzi Enriquez. So automatic turnover para sa ating executive at 9 minutes and 40. 20 seconds gone by para sa ating nice assist by the great Tony. That's Montinola. Good ball. Conzi Enriquez dribbling the ball. He's looking for receiver. No, pinasa po kay Talanya on the right wing for 3. No. Out of the rebound, Jose. Baseball pass to number, and it was a troubling violation committed by number 29. Traveling without visa. Higa or dancing on chain of music. Conzi Enriquez, pinasa kay Attorney Jason. Nice shot, but no. Almost got that quite by Engineer. Baseball pass to Morelos, underneath the ring, and nice step, and there's a reason why there's para sa ating executive team. Morelos for 3, no? Talanya. Kaya po, Conzi Enriquez. Talanya is 3 on 2 on 3. Geronimo for 2. Intercepted. No, almost by Conce Enriquez. Yan na po. Nice bit of job on number 15 of the TPMO. Intercepted by Bambi. Nice side step. No.
Yeah,
Attorney Jason, yan na po. Wala. Biglang na ilang siya attorney doon ah. Yan na po si attorney. Felix.
exhibition na yun.
Gonna play. And it was started by...
That's it. Goals for Richard Nugget.
Nice shot by Morelos. 2. 30 minutes and 30 seconds para sa ating and tayo 24 ang ating official score with 70 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 29, Tavi Morelos for the downtown. No! Battle for the rebound. Nice box by number 10. That's Alpaba. Jose for 3. On number 5, Jose.
Barok, pinarin ka po.
Conce Enriquez. Tawagan si Conce. Space. Almost right by Conce Sinoga. And what a nice shot by number 1, Morelos. 31 to 29, just down to 2-point deficit of advantage para sa ating second team. Enriquez, they're still living the ball.
Ryan Enriquez.
Anderson 10 ng executive. Yan na po. Conce Enriquez again for 2.
Sayang. Talagang sumusunod pa si Conce. Nice D by Engineer Arta.
Yan na po.
Attorney Jason. Attorney. Cross-breeding pa talaga.
Yung.
Oh, laki.
Tommy for 2. Good job by
Best player yata ngayon si highest pointer si Conce Ryan Enriquez
35 to 31.
Papantayan pa ni Conce Ryan yan. Yan.
Wala.
Conce agad. Yan, Conce Ryan. Yan, nice shot by Engineer Ken. Best player ngayon si daming assist, ang daming shoot eh. Hey, 3 points.
Jose, 3 points. Jose, number 5. Chase 5.
Ayun.
What's up? Ay, nako. Isang galingan mo. Kulang isa. Hindi na ako nga. Ito walang laro.
Nice shot.
Nice chance. Tira Chan.
Yan na. Tangke. Ang tangke. Yan. Ha. Oh, laki.
Uli. Ay, hindi nagkaharap ng dalawa. Uli ka basal dito.
Pasok na si Atty. Budi. Sayang yung training. Tony! Sayang training! Tony! Nagte-training ka, brother.
Wala sila pagkalat ka. Oo nga eh. Hindi ito niya yan. Bago tayo pumunta doon, check mo muna kung ano yung para hindi tayo chat kita. Hindi tatagal ng oras. Hindi, dito na ako dadaan sa ano eh. Yan, kita tayo yan. Tol, may laro ka pa mamaya. Uy, may laro ka pa mamaya. Importante mamaya, laglagan yun. Mataan sa dos. Puro polis. Polis yung tumawag sa amin. Oo. Anong game ba sila? Sunod sa atin, di ba?
Consipol! Consipol!
Galing eh.
2 minutes para sa ating second quarter.
60 na.
60.
Ano, yung number niya.
Nice spin. Yan na yan. Number 60, spin. Binasa kay Engineer Portero. Wala. Galing pa sa rebound. Nakuha ni spin sa right wing. Great shot.
60.
1 minute and 35 seconds. Number 14. Nice pass. But no, we have a shooting on the downtown for 3. Yes, Vansolino. 3. Oh, 43. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Guevara for 2.
Nakashoot din si Guevara. Bagong sapatos para sa liga na to.
Pagsulingan, espiritu. Dinasa kay Engineer. Iyan na po. Sinalaksak, side step. Nice pull up, but no. Once on 10 for 2. Wala. Listen and protection against the ball.
Chester Pablo Guevara. Pass to number 14.
For 2.
Number 14 set. No good. Rebound by Engineer.
Liggett.
Yup, boy, sayang.
Engineer.
Sayang na.
Oh, si Sinoga. Pinasa kay Spirito. The wrong guy. No, isa pa.
Oh, sayang na naman. Huli.
Chan, sige na ba mo, Chan?
Bantang. Bantang. Wala na sumasabay. Wala na sumasabay.
The ball game
End of
is a
second
2-point
quarter.
advantage.
Score 47-45 in favor of executive team.
Maraming salamat sa sponsor mo. Thank you.
Okay, para po sa ating game after this exhibition game.
Okay, so para sa thank you, Tita Dolly.
First game, sige.
Thank you.
First game, TPMO Toro versus OGS. Second game, Sangguniang A versus Treasury. Third game, Market against CHD. And our last game, which is the fourth game, PSD
Third quarter.
against
Third quarter.
SRDO. So yun po yung schedule po natin para sa araw na ito. Salamat.
Call si Ryan! Hoy! Wow! Matigan pa yun! Baseball pa, oh!
Bilis eh.
Kasi, active siya ngayon. Kondisyon. Hoy! Ba't ako? Nabalaki si Neto kay Pati. Again. Uy!
No, box out.
Attorney Jason. Iba rin eh. Malakas din talaga eh. Uy! Still. Engineer Arta. Pass to Engineer Ken. Engineer Ken. Uy! Mukhang mata. Coming from the pass of Engineer Ken. 3 points. No good. Uy! Wow! Wow naman yun!
Nice pass.
Wow, papawiyan niya no. Consi Ryan. Uy, wala na. Mukhang inalat na si Consi Ryan ah. Alam ko makaka 80 points eh. One. Ako. Dalawa na lang ah. Engineer Arta.
Tira.
Hoy, laki ng bantay. Attorney Jason, hindi niya gagawin yan. Kanya tumadrive. Hindi niya gagawin yun. Kailangan siya na-drive at may masiko. Double on. Dalawang patara, attorney. Medyo mabigat.
Official score, 51-49.
Oh. Nice pick.
Nice pick, nice shot, but no, almost. Number 14.
Padong. Ay, still. Okay.
Last touch, number 5. Oh.
Bawal yun, Engineer Ken.
Basic.
Oy, wala na. Naubos na yata ako si Ryan. Ay, ingat. Save ball.
Naantok na.
Oh. Nice shot. Bawi! Uy! Ang laki! Ang laki na kasi! Ang laki na! Balik siya. Nice. Lamang na. Change table. Binantay na si Consi Ryan. Ayaw talagang patirahin. Tira. Kagayan. Patay. Uy, wala. Oh! Buti na lang. At dito si Coach Ryan. Pang 42 points. Ay, patay. Libre.
Nauna.
Saglit lang yung basketball. Bawi, Coach, bawi. Bawi. Yun! Wala. Buti na lang. Wala pa rin. Hindi pa pa rin si Coach.
Dito.
Sayang.
Ito na yan. Pero mo na. Kasi.
Coach Ryan. Naku, wala. Naubos talaga. Naubos na. Yan na. Nice pass. Wow. Wala na. Up na ang lamang. Bawi! Uy! Balik!
Babawi yan.
Oh! Balik! Ang laki! Huli! Ayan natin. Bawi! Apat lang yan. Wala. Patay. Yan na. Traveling. Buti na lang. Traveling.
Yun.
Huli. Oh, yan. Pasa. Oh, yun. Yun. Dali na. May block pa.
Naunang gulang. Sorry.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Bang.
Ayun.
Wow. Hold na.
Adirig.
Wow, one shot. Uy, sayang. Bintis pa. Oh, foul. Atong iniwasan ka na, nakakahalata na sa'yo. Ulit.
Sayang.
Mayor.
Easy basket.
One.
Pat na po ulit. Bawi.
Sa'yo talaga kailangan.
Gone si Ryan. Uy, sayang. Diretso lang.
Adirig.
Sobra lang. Okay. Lifting.
No?
Sayang.
Kaya ng tatay.
Yun.
Oh!
Nice shot by number 1, Buboy.
Binibilisan na sila. Tira rin. Kunsi, tira. Yung.
Nice. Wow.
Tira na. Yun!
Da.
Ito pa.
Substitution.
Ayun lang, oo, basic.
Bawi, Kochi! Libre! Dance! Parang di na pumasok si Coach Paul agad. Outside.
Yun. Wah. Tira, 3 points.
One minute and 5 seconds. Tambi.
Sayang. Daming tira eh, oh. Wala. End of third quarter. Score 67 all.
Okay, kung sino yung may laro kayo, kung gusto yung magpahinga, pahinga na po kasi meron pa kayong susunod, lalo na sa Sangguniang, TPM o OGS, tsaka Treasury.
Tibay na resistensya. Punshel Raya.
Nagigising lang. Ay, naligo na.
Bang!
Maya. Natapos ko lang itong laro nila. Dito si Mary kanina. Pero sinama ko ito.
Daming shoot.
Hindi pa. Tama ka na lang muna. Ano ka lang. Tama ka lang. Tama ka mamaya. May laro. Dun sa ano, sa syudad. Ha? Hindi ko naiintindihan. Sige.
Yun. Galing. Ang bilis. Bang. Bilis. Mira. Yo.
Engine over your last touch. 55 seconds. Enter submit. Pinasa po kay Colty. Yes. Down to 45 seconds. Almost interception. 95 to 89. 6-point lead para sa ating executive. Yan na po. Coming for 3. Wala. Yun. Nice 2. 35 seconds. Nice job by Colty Enriquez. For 3, Morelos. No. 21 seconds. Nice. That's a 2 points by Jose. 15 seconds. 97 to 93. And it's down to 10 seconds.
End of the ball game. Winner, Team Executive. Mga boss, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog. At huwag niyong kalilimutan subscribe sa aming channel. Boss, alam vlog, at isama niyo na rin ang Guardianers Vlog. At nagpapaalala sa inyo, bawal mamatay, mabuhay. Score 193.
38 points.